Hello, my name is Ryan Ferrante, and I'm proud to present my research presentation, which is entitled The Future of Online Consumer Shopping. So the basis of this research project that I conducted focuses on three main constructs. The first two focus on needs, such as groceries and clothing. The last construct talks about the items that we want to purchase, or the wants. So often we use so many different websites such as Amazon, Target.com, Walmart.com. The possibilities are endless. But when it comes down to it, the real question is, what is the future of online shopping with the needs that we have and the wants? To start off, I'd like to ask the question of, why do you online shop? So for me personally, I love the convenience, knowing that I can at home purchase something online and know that it's going to come maybe a day or two later. That's the convenient part that I love, knowing that I can just do something at home and click it and forget it. Also, lower prices. Often we can find something that's cheaper than what you would find at a brick and mortar location. Also, the accessibility, knowing that I can find something online that I wouldn't be able to find at the store. So what is our purpose? There has to be a purpose behind our online shopping habits. In order to populate a group of individuals to see their ideas and their shopping habits, I created a Google Forms survey. I love this survey format, very easy to use and very easy to distribute. I distributed the survey via Facebook and also via hard copies, print copies. There's 20 questions in 3 constructs. The first construct being demographics, and the last 3 being on different types of online shopping. I wanted to see the current shopping habits as well as opinions of the future of online shopping. Construct number 1 focused on the demographics of the participants. There was 106 people who participated, and all the surveys were conducted within 48 hours of distribution. Questions were asked such as gender, age, professional and employment status, ethnicity, and marital status. The purpose of this construct was to gather data to be a variable to different constructs, to bump it up against something else and see how does age or whatever one of these demographics, how does it affect the other constructs. Construct number 2 focuses on online grocery shopping. So the questions asked were, what are the participants' current trends? Do they online grocery shop or do they not? Also, what is their opinion of the future of online grocery shopping? Do they feel like it's going to increase in the next 5 years, or do they feel like it's going to be the same? So not only is their trends important, it's also important to understand what deters them from doing grocery shopping online, if that is a factor. So seeing the trends, identifying those who currently do online grocery shopping, and figuring out, why do people not grocery shop online? Construct number 3 looks at online clothing shopping. So what are the participants' current trends? Do they purchase clothing online monthly, weekly, daily? The trends that they currently have with buying clothing online. Also, what is their opinion of the future of online clothing shopping? Do they feel like it's going to increase? Do they feel like it's going to stay the same? What's their ideas on the future? Also, what deters them from purchasing clothing online? Is it possibly that they like trying clothing on at the store to see if it fits, to see the physical product? What deters them and also their trends is a huge part of this construct. Construct number 4 focuses on online other shopping, miscellaneous shopping. So what are the participants' current trends? Do they like to purchase electronics, home decor, toys? What is it that they purchase online that's other than groceries and clothing? Also, what items do they prefer to purchase, and where do they like to purchase them from? To see if there's current trends on different websites used to purchase these items. Also, a big question is online shopping going to dominate the future of consumer purchases? So this opens up the narrative to see what they feel is the future of shopping. Do they feel like it's going to dominate, or is it going to stay the same? Construct number 1, which has the demographics, will be used to analyze constructs 2, 3, and 4. An interesting find in construct number 2 is the opinion of online grocery shopping and if it will increase in the next 5 years. According to the data, those who are in the younger categories of age demographics, those 18 and 24 years old, strongly agree that there will be an increase of online grocery shopping. Now, the older the demographic goes, the more that the participants disagree. So there is a trend where those who are the upcoming generation do believe that online shopping is going to be a new norm, whereas those who are older feel like it'll either stay the same or there will be little to no progression. In construct number 3, an interesting find was how often one purchases clothing online compared to a gender demographic. So comparing male and female and seeing how often they purchase clothing online. So an interesting find is that the males mostly purchase clothing monthly with the highest percentage. Females, on the other hand, the highest percentage they have was purchasing clothing twice a year. Now, taking these two demographics together, the average is majority monthly purchasing. So males and females on average purchase clothing online monthly on a monthly basis. So in construct number 4, we look at, does convenience of online shopping influence shopping habits of the individuals? And we look at that based on professional and employment status. So going from those who are unemployed all the way up to those who are full-time employed or retired, interesting enough is those who are unemployed say that convenience does not highly influence them in online shopping. Actually, they rated more of the not at all influence. And those who are full-time employed are highly influenced. So it's possible that those who are full-time employed or part-time employed, they have less time to go out and shop, so they are highly influenced by convenience, whereas those who are unemployed have more time and would rather go to a brick and mortar location. So interesting enough, there is a difference between those who are unemployed and those who are full or part-time employed. So in conclusion, after conducting this research, the main questions I ask is, what does this data mean to me as a consumer, and what is the significance of the data for a retailer? So do my trends depict the way that I will see the future, as well as would this information help a retailer adapt new strategies to create a more profound or significant customer experience? So my question and the answer to my question is online shopping the future? I would say that yes, it is a big part of the future, but there has to be some sort of hybrid shopping, the ability to shop online as well in brick and mortar locations. So I want to thank you for watching this presentation. I hope that you were able to find or get some interesting facts from this research project. I enjoyed conducting it and learning from it, and I know that online shopping is a big part of our future, and I'm excited to see the trends and the new things that will come up in the near future. Thank you again for watching.